Hi again. In this second webinar or workshop regarding the CodeBlock application, I'll be showing you how to teach students in higher grades, starting from grade 6 or 7 and up, to use the variables and the looping in order to control the drawing of a 3D object. I remind you that in the previous webinar, I showed you how to create manually different blocks, like here stairs, by duplicating the same block, add and move many times, and by changing the placement or the location of the each block. So here the move block, as you can see, I'm modifying the y and the z value of the two axes y and z in order to place them in a sequential way in order to make the stairs. So I'll be doing exactly the same object, but in using the repeat block and variables. So let us start. It's really simple and systematic in manipulating the blocks. So I'll be moving create new object. I can change the name, let's say, for stairs. Okay. I will be defining a variable. I suppose here that I have two variables, as you can see, y and z, and both are changing. That's why I'll be creating in variables, create variable item. I will name it, let's say, y, and create variable item. I will rename it Z, and I will be setting Y to 0 and Z to the value 2. Okay. And after that, I'll go for the repeat. And as you can see, you can repeat as much as you want for the stairs. I'll be doing 4. I'll be moving the block. Sorry, I'll be moving the block add a box. So as you can see, the values are not changing. So I place them here to create the first step. And then after the move block, I'll place it here. Okay. The value X are not changing, 0, 0, 0, 0. The Y is changing. So I'll be taking the Y. I'll be placing inside the value Y and the Z inside the value Z. And as simple, I will be moving the block change. I'll select the Y. And as you can see here, the Y is changing plus 18. So I'll make it plus 18. And then after, change the value Z by 4. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm not repeating the blocks add and move as in the first example. I'm just creating a looping system, and the advantage of the looping here is that once I plan to repeat the stairs 20 times, I can do it by changing only this value instead of the first technique, which I'm obliged to repeat the two blocks, add and move 20 times or 30 times, and so on. So this is the advantages of using variables and repeat. I'll be deleting this the first block, and then I'll be clicking here. Hope it will work. Amazing, as you can see. And if you want to make it like 15 times, I'll be running again. I can make it faster, as you can see here, the speed. And again, okay. So you can see that this is what you can do with your students. It's really amazing. It's really impressive, and it will lead to create animation for your students and create, enhance and develop creativity for them while creating, combining between the coding and the 3D design. Hope it was clear for you. I'll be trying to, as I said before, preparing some exercise in order to implement them with your student. Thank you for watching, and do not hesitate to contact us in a case you need any help or any support. Thank you.